Copyright subsists in and protects every original literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic work, provided that certain conditions are met. In general, copyright provides content creators and owners with control over their work, unless a user can apply an exception, such as fair dealing. According to the Copyright Act, using a copyright-protected work for one of the following 8 purposes may fall under the fair dealing exception and does not constitute copyright infringement: research, private study, criticism, review, news reporting, education, satire, or parody. Any fair dealing for the purpose of news reporting, criticism, or review must, however, mention the source and, if given in the source, the name of the author or creator of the work. An original work is the product of a creator's exercise of skill and judgment, and may not be a copy of another work. The vast majority of original works are protected by copyright. In Canada, copyright generally lasts for the life of the author and a period of 50 years after the author's death. This does not apply to artists' performances, sound recordings, and broadcast signals. Once the term of copyright has expired, a work enters the public domain and can be used, reproduced, or communicated without permission. Copyright infringement and plagiarism are often confused with one another. While both concepts are related and share certain similarities, it's important to recognize the difference between them. Copyright infringement is the reproduction or distribution of someone else's work without permission, if the use of the work doesn't fall under the exceptions included in the Copyright Act. It's a legal offense that can be taken to court. Plagiarism, on the other hand, is the use of someone else's work without proper attribution to the author. To avoid this ethical offense, it's important to always cite the source of all your materials. For more information on plagiarism and referencing, please contact the Academic Writing Help Center. Improper use of a work may be considered both copyright infringement and plagiarism, or only one of the two. If you're wondering about copyright at uOttawa, visit the Copyright Office's website at www.copyright.uottawa.ca. For more information on fair dealing and other copyright exceptions, consult the Copyright Office's Exceptions to Copyright page. If you have questions about plagiarism, please visit the Student Academic Success Services website at www.sas.uottawa.ca. Thank you for listening, and we hope this information was helpful to you.